What if you couldn't stop sneezing? Imagine you just sneezed. A regular sneeze. Nothing special. But a minute passes and you sneeze again and again and again. You think it's allergies or a cold. It'll go away, but it doesn't. You try to eat breakfast, you sneeze. You leave the house, you sneeze. You get into the elevator, you sneeze again. People start looking at you strangely. At work, you can't speak properly. Every sentence breaks off. At night, you can't sleep because your body just won't stop. You're driving and you sneeze again. You try to pinch your nose, hold your breath, take pills. Nothing helps. A few hours later, your whole body aches. A day later, you're dreading the next sneeze because it's getting stronger. And then at some point you realize this is no longer a coincidence. This is now your new reality. And the main question isn't even when it will end, but will it end at all?